Welcome back. Let's get started with marching. So today is a cardio day. Let's take a nice deep breath in and breathing out. So sitting up straight, shoulders are back, deep breath in again and breathing out. Let's get the arms involved. So just bringing the arms forward. So trying to get a nice stretch in here at the same time as you bring those arms forward. And then this time going overhead, so reaching it to whatever point feels right for you. And one more. Keeping the arms in this position, bringing the hands forward and back. So tightening up those biceps. And one more. Good, having the arms here, bringing the hands down, bringing the hands back, feeling that in your upper back, working on posture here. Coming down and up. One more. Good, bringing the arms all the way down, halfway up and down. Breathing in and out. Let's do two more. And last one. And out. Bring one arm up, one arm back, and then just reaching in both directions. And one more, and then the other side. Okay, relaxing the upper body, let's go into tapping the toes. So just bringing the foot forward. And then if you're able to, let's bring an arm into it as well. So let's try and do the opposite hand with the opposite foot. So if it's too fast or too slow, just change the pace to work for you. So it's up to you if you sit on the end or back in your chair. If you're able to, you can move forward and you'll be able to get in a little bit more of a range with your legs. So scooching forward if you can, and then just tapping out to the side. Again, bringing a hand into it if you can. And let's do a heel tap in front. So heel and also with the palm of your hand, so pressing. Nice deep breath in here and out. Another deep breath and out. Going back into a march, reaching one arm overhead and the other side. Okay, going forward and then up, forward, up, forward, and just continuing with that. One more, keeping the hands at the side, pressing out, pulling in. Now let's go back into the heel tap, so heel, trying to get the coordination down. So finding the pace for your feet that works for you and with the beat of the music and with your arms. It can be all a bit complicated sometimes. Okay, last one. Let's tap out and then the other side. So here's kind of where you want to be sitting on the edge of your chair if you're able to. If you can't, if you're in a wheelchair, then just change the exercise, go back into a march, do what works for your body. Okay, let's bring the hands in. So pushing out this time, trying to get in some different movements for the arms. Trying to keep the abs tight as well. So sitting up straight, concentrating on flexing your abs a little bit. Pressing in front this time. And then on the next one, we are going to reach. So let's reach over and then the other side. So turning your body a little bit, challenging your balance here too by doing this. And then just reaching at chest height or shoulder height. Going back into a straight march. Okay, we are going to pick up the pace for a little bit. So just trying to go as fast as you can here. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back into a straight march. Bring the shoulders back. Nice deep breath in. And breathe out. Let's go at a faster pace again if you're able to. Otherwise, just do whatever pace works for you. Ready? And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Okay, let's bring the arm up to the side and going out. So it's like a jumping jack, but just doing one arm at a time. If you want to, you can bring both arms up if you're able to. I'm gonna stick with singles. I don't want you to feel like you have to do more, but if you're able to, then definitely do. And then on the next one, arm in front. One more on each side. Going back into that march. Okay, sitting up nice and straight, shoulders are back again. Let's have the arms down. We're just going to bring them up and then overhead. So down, down, bicep curl. Think about making the muscles work here. So flex, up, down, and down. Flex, flex, flex. Now here it's going to change. I want you to think about pulling down, so pulling a really heavy cable down and then just relaxing arms. So going up and pull down. Pull. Again, pull. One more like that. So really pull that heavy cable and then bringing the arms in front, and let's just punch in front, picking up that pace with the feet again. Okay, relaxing the feet for a second. Let's just punch it out. So going as fast as you can, breathing, sitting up straight. Keep going if you can. Relax the arms and then pick up that pace. Relax the feet, punch the arms. Relax the arms, pick up the feet. Last round, and punching. My chair is moving around as I'm doing this. Breathe. And then just walk it out. Bring the arms overhead, nice deep breath in. And breathe out. Breathing in. And out. One more time. Tapping the feet in front. Having the shoulders back. Let's just bring the hands in front, keep tapping the feet, and just pull the arms back, feeling that stretch through your chest. Bring the hands together, pushing the arms in front. Relaxing the feet. Bring one arm overhead, reaching as high as you can. Other hand reaches down to the floor, trying to make sure that you're in a straight line as much as you can. Other direction, so reaching up and then reaching down and really reaching in both directions. Having the arms in front, let's actually have our hands this way. We're gonna pull those elbows back, get those shoulders back for good posture, and just hold. Hands in front again, let's do that one more time. Pull back. Bringing the arms down, big breath in, and big breath out. One more good breath. And that's it for your 10 minutes. If you want to add some stretching on, I will add some links above. And or if you want to do other workouts, just check the playlist and you'll be able to find more. All right, that's it for today. I will see you back tomorrow. Bye, everyone.